Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. And today is Friday, March 11, 2022. It is 5:49 and 29 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's going to be a short one today. Today's research, cancer-fighting T-cells. So let's hop to it here. The scientists supercharge cancer-fighting T-cells. Date March 10, 2022. Source, Yale University. The scientists have identified a way to supercharge tumor-attacking T-cells, a finding that may not only improve the effectiveness of a promising type of cell-based cancer immunotherapy, but also expand the number of cancers it can treat. The discovery can advance CAR T-cell therapy, which can harness the immune response of T-cells to cancers by introducing tumor-detecting molecules into the cells. In the last decade, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration has approved 6 CAR T-cell therapies to treat B-cell lymphomas and multiple myeloma. But despite early successes, the effectiveness of the treatment tends to diminish over time, which has launched a search for ways to boost function of T-cells. Also, there are currently no approved CAR T-cell therapies to treat solid tumors. Researchers devised an ingenious way to efficiently scan the genome of CD8 T-cells for specific genes that might enhance the cell's ability to attack cancer cells. Researchers developed a new kind of genome-wide gain-of-function screen to find a molecular enzyme that acts like the foot on a gas pedal to increase metabolic activity in T-cells. They found high levels of activity in several genes, including PRODH2, a gene involved in cell metabolism, stimulates increased CAR T-cell activity in mouse models used to study 3 different types of cancers, including solid tumor breast cancer. The findings show it is possible to produce hypermetabolic CAR T-cells that outperform existing cell therapies. Using these systems and findings, future studies can test the newly identified types of metabolically enhanced CAR-Ts in clinical studies, allowing to identify other T-cell supercharges and to extend cell-based immunotherapy to different cancer types, especially solid tumors. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoy listening. Until next time, have a great day.